there. Oh, I can't hear you.
I can hear you.
Oh, okay, now I hear you. My name is India. What's your name?
My name is English.
Jinglish?
English.
English?
Yes.
Hi, English. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You say nice to meet you too.
Oh,
Hmm? Nice to meet
yes.
you, English.
Nice to meet you too.
Perfect. Where are you calling from?
I'm from India. And you?
I'm from the US, but I'm not calling you from the United States. I'm calling you
Oh,
from Portugal. Have you heard of Portugal? Do you know it?
yes.
Yeah. Oh, cool. Are you a soccer fan?
No, I'm not a
Um,
soccer fan, but I like sports, so I
okay.
like.
Most people know about Portugal because of Cristiano Ronaldo.
Oh, yes, yes.
Awesome.
I, I, you
Mhm.
look, you look like a Indian.
Yeah, my parents are Indian. My parents are from UP.
UP.
Yeah. And
Oh,
you?
so
Where are you from?
I'm from Odisha.
Odisha. And very nice. Awesome.
You know Odisha?
I know the name, but I don't know anything about it.
You know Jagannath Puri?
Jagannath Puri? No. I know Puri.
Oh,
Right.
Puri, yes.
Yeah. Is it a special kind of puri?
Yes, Jagannath, the Lord of Universe.
It's a lot of what?
The Lord of Universe. You search
You
Google, you search Google Jagannath,
Uh-huh. Can
then
you send it to
you
me?
will find it.
Jagannath. It's beautiful.
I- You find?
I'll show you. This?
Yes, yes.
Wow. I
It's
haven't heard of him.
you know, it's so famous in the world.
Really? I had no idea. Thank you for sharing with me. Well,
Oh,
my
welcome.
dear, um, what would you like to do today? Did you want to just talk? Did you want to do something specific, a lesson or
Yes.
something?
No, no lesson on duck.
Okay, excellent. So, what do you do?
Uh, Now I
Are you a
am
student?
going. No, I am not a student. 1 year ago,
Hmm.
I finished my study.
Congratulations on your graduation.
Yeah.
Very exciting. So, what are you doing these days?
Now I am doing part-time tuition and I am learning stitching. Yeah, that's it.
You're teaching?
Stitching.
Teaching?
No, no, stitching.
Oh, stitching, like sewing.
Yes, yes, yes.
What are you
How
sewing?
many
Hmm.
dress?
Oh, that's cool. Do you make them for yourself or do you sell them?
Myself and others.
Like your friends, or do you have a
Yeah.
business?
No, no. Right now I don't complete my stitching learning. So right now I practice my clothes and my family members' clothes.
Nice. Right. I want you to practice sewing. So not
Yes,
stitching, but sewing.
sewing.
Yeah, excellent.
Thank you.
Um, sure.
How many how many times have you came to India?
Like I think 5 or 6 times, in my life,
Oh.
something like
I-
that.
You, you don't come every year.
Mm-mm. It's very expensive, so I can't
what
afford it.
what are you doing in Portugal?
I moved here, so I wanted to experience life here, and I really like it. So I decided to settle down here. Right? So I'm
Oh,
working, and yeah, that kind of thing. Have you ever lived outside of India?
no.
You see- Yeah, I had never lived outside of the United States, and I wanted to experience what it was like to live in a different country.
Oh, so
So,
you must know Hindi.
a little bit.
Oh,
Do you speak Hindi?
yes.
Oh, nice. So, you speak Hindi, English, any other languages?
Yeah, my mother tongue is Odia, so I know Hindi and
Uh,
Odia, and now I am
Korea?
learning English. And I know
Nice.
Telugu.
That's amazing.
Y-
Wow.
You know Telugu?
Mm-mm. No,
It,
my parents speak Hindi, but they didn't speak to me in Hindi. They only spoke to me in English.
oh,
So that's how why I don't know Hindi very well. I can understand and I can speak a little bit, but uh-huh. You were saying?
yes.
You were asking about Telugu?
Yes, you want to see Telugu movie?
I've never seen a Telugu movie. Are they easy to find? I haven't seen them before.
No, no, Telugu is so hard, you know.
Yeah. That's I bet. Learning languages is challenging. It's fun but challenging.
Yes, how many languages you know?
English, obviously. A little bit of Hindi. Spanish, like conversationally, and some Portuguese.
Oh, so you know
Yeah.
most of languages.
And no, no. It's like you, right? A little bit of this language, a little bit of that language. Yeah.
Yeah, languages learning is so hard, you know. But Hindi
Yeah.
is not.
Hindi is very hard. What do you mean?
No, no, Hindi is not hard, you know. When I was maybe 9 class, yeah, 10 class, that time I was learning Hindi. And so that
Mhm.
time no one, only I learn on TV shows,
Wow,
movie.
that's amazing. But does Hindi sound similar to Orissa? I mean, Orissa,
No, no, no.
what's the name of your native language?
Odia.
Oriya. Are Hindi and Oriya similar?
No, no.
No, they're very different.
Yes.
Ah, okay. I thought maybe there was some similarities. Like I
No, no.
speak Spanish, and that's helped me with learning Portuguese because
Yes.
there's some
Yes.
similarities.
No, Odia only similarity Bangla, not Hindi.
Okay, okay, very cool. My dear, so you are tutoring students these
Yes.
days. What do you tutor them in?
What?
What subjects do you tutor them in?
No subject.
Hmm? You said all subjects?
Yes.
Ah, okay, nice. That's awesome. What age group do you work with?
Uh, third class.
Third class. Okay, third grade. Nice, awesome. So so you in India they call it private tuition, right?
Yes.
Um, in the US we would call that tutoring. And third class, we would call it third grade. So, just so you
Okay.
have some other vocabulary to use
Yes.
if you want.
You,
Mhm.
you know Spanish, Portuguese, English, and a little bit Hindi. So, what's the best way to learn different languages? What's the feeling? What's the
Um,
suffering?
yeah, so for me, I have to have goals. Goals are really important, having concrete goals. And then I work towards that. So, want to I want to be able to listen to music and or read the lyrics of music and understand without
Yes.
translating, for example. Or I want to be able to watch something and understand, or I want to understand. I go to dance class. I love to dance.
Oh,
And I want
me
to
too.
understand everything they say without having to ask for a translation. Yeah.
Yes.
So these are my goals, and I can work towards those goals. Does that make sense?
I think English is hard to learn, vocabulary, grammar.
It's not hard. It's probably one of the easiest languages because
It's
um,
easy, but no one is here to talk with. Me.
yeah, it's hard to practice.
Yes,
Yeah.
I
So
need
that's why you
I need
got Cambly.
someone. Yes, I need someone to talk English every day. But just only Cambly, I talk to only 15 minutes
Well, you
per
are
day.
welcome to talk to call me any day, anytime, and we can
No,
chat.
it's too expensive, you know.
It is expensive. Yeah, I know. So the there's many ways to practice your listening, which is helpful, right? To
Yeah, but
but what do you think? What are you know many languages? What are your strategies?
my what is that?
Strategies for what are your strategies for learning a language? You know many languages.
I only go, I only see YouTube, then I learn, then I convert to my language, and
Hmm. So how do you study a new language? How do you learn? Do you have advice for me?
no.
No? Oh, shucks. I'm always looking for more advice.
Actually,
Um,
I love languages. I want to learn different languages. Actually, I know other language. I know 4, 5 lines Chinese.
what? That's amazing. I only know ni hao.
Ni hao ma.
That's amazing.
Yeah, I love that. I love languages.
It's a beautiful thing. I love languages as well. I'm curious, you said you also dance? You also enjoy dancing?
Yeah, I also enjoy.
Oh, what do you like to dance?
I like with me only. No.
Is like at home in your bedroom, turning on the music and dancing.
Yes,
That
yes. Only my bedroom. Yeah, when I watch
mhm.
it, when I am alone that time.
Mhm. Oh, that's super fun. Do you dance to mostly like Bollywood music or other what kind of music do you enjoy dancing to?
Uh, I, I like Hindi, English. Now I am
Mhm.
learning English, so I enjoy English songs.
Yeah,
I,
but what
I
style? Like pop music?
understand pop music.
Yeah. Oh, my dear, our time is coming to an end. It was a pleasure meeting you today.
Oh, time goes so fast.
It does. It's so quick. I hope to see you again soon, my dear.
Okay, I hope to see you again. You are wonderful.
Thank you. You too. Bye.
Bye.
See you.